The best part of that is about the soccer game with the pie.
That's me, crying in the background. You're probably wondering how I got into this situation. Rest assured, there's a perfectly logical explanation.
I wanna take our favorite shows, mute the audio, do our best to remember the lines, and the rest is improvised. Sometimes turns into nonsense, so please don't be alarmed. I become a total mess, but that's part of the charm. RTF and my World Soccer. Hey there, Charlie. Not even slightly sorry. World Soccer. Oh, go grab some grub till I'm fired from the dub. RTF and my World Soccer. No good reviews. Released on the PS2. We'll dub anything you tell us to. Real-time Fandub, Animal World Soccer, Animal World Soccer, RTF.
I don't even remember who I'm voicing. Oh, yeah. Dog. 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 Hey! Robin! Or Joey! Whatever your name is in this movie.
Yeah, probably.
How are you?
I don't know.
I don't know how I am either.
Honestly, my face looks like an anus, and that's very upsetting to me.
Anyway, let's walk along, because we are friends.
Absolutely.
Hey, the footage for this is really hard. Ah! Da-da-da-da-da-da-da! Yee!
Yee.
Yeah, Yee. This is the guys who made that Yee thing. Also, that the people who made that my baby thing.
That absolutely. That's us.
Sim and I know them from Phaelus's reviews, but they don't really even have plots or animation, which is gonna make this really hard to follow for 30 minutes.
Hello. Oh, that's
That's you.
Yes, that's me. What's cracking? I got a little microphone here, and God, my beak is just way too big. It's just flapping about. And look, here are the Doobie Brothers and a horse. Where am I?
You're in Animal Soccer World.
Oh, good.
It's it's an original film, I think. So.
Original film. Okay. Well,
I mean, that's definitely just Simba, but
can I just get an interview?
Yeah, sure.
Please give me an interview. All right. First question: have you sinned against God?
I'm sinning right now.
All right. Question 2: do you regret any of this? Do you, with your stupid face?
I regret being in this.
I didn't ask you.
I didn't ask you what your face looks like.
Oh, is that me? Hi, I'm here too. That's my name. It's me. Yeah. Oh God, my pain! Oh God, existing hurts. Just fucking kill me.
Well, I am done.
Ah!
Yeah.
Anybody got an anus face they need me to fix? I'm a doctor! Someone get out of the way!
Oh my God, this movie's too long. Please stop
I have
it.
an anus face.
All right, everyone. Seems we're in the middle of an old-fashioned fever dream.
The movie. Nothing's
May
going.
escape the fever dream for now, but you'll be back. Well, okay, no. Back.
Anybody got an anus face? Come over here! I'm a doctor! I'm gonna fix it! Come over here!
Oh God.
I'm trying to, but I
Steven!
can't control my legs.
I think the dog.
Why would you even
mean-
try?
Oh, hello.
Oh, I hate myself.
I hate you.
I hate you.
You.
Oh my God, this movie's tearing our friendships apart. Miles, I will give you your $11
I'm
back.
back to figuring out the truth of this, and it turns out there's some incantations around here. Figure out every time the nurse duck tries to...
I hate you, Miles. I hate you so fucking much.
We are all very mad.
And it's only been about 3.5 minutes. This is going to be a wild goddamn ride.
It's already.
Oh my God, wait, 3.5 minutes? You're lying to me, Ryan.
save you now. Bold of you to assume that this movie would be so merciful as to kill you early. Look at you're in a long haul now.
Oh, fuck this. I'm out of here.
Let me give you my rates! I'm very cheap for a doctor!
And so the fellow bird...
Here's my card!
Well, I guess she'll be giving us the bill. The bill. See, I make jokes for a living because I want to be a stand-up comedian, but instead I got shafted over to this goddamn movie.
Hey, how is it going, Sim? Are you alright? Do you think we should keep going, or should we just give Miles his money back?
I don't think we're gonna survive this.
Oh god, it's literally just Thumper.
Well, at least it's a better representation of whatever the fuck I am.
What are you? What?
Simba, probably. Or that.
Why is Simba a friend with the dog?
It's that film, Simba and
Look
Dog.
at this paper. My favorite paper.
Hey, I got the script for your Newsies production. That is what you were putting all these papers for, right? I didn't get the wrong thing, the supply list. This movie needed better
Wear
supplies.
different boots. Your boots look bad. Your boots look bad. I'm sorry. It's the truth. I don't care if I got an Inspector Gadget-ass haircut. I'm still willing to...
I'm Puss in Boots. I'm Puss in Boots. That's the joke, I think. Ah, that's a very good joke.
I am going to die in 7 days. There's Doobie
We're all
Brothers
gonna
again.
die in 7 days. My sides hurt from laughing at you, Ryan, but I'm still mad. We're all still mad at this. Ryan is saving the dub. Thank you, Ryan. You saved the world, Ryan. Have a medal. Have all the medals. We're going to knight you.
Well, I think I'm coming to a conclusion that this dub is essentially just...
Oh, this dub is essentially just what? Yeah, there's not very good timing in this dub for anything. There sure
You'll
isn't.
never fucking know now. Alright, I'm gonna scream in the background so I can get my point across. The point of this dub is just all the real-time fandom characters sent to poorly animated furry hell. Everyone's their own persona. It's canon. Fuck you guys.
Wow, God has been speaking to me as I've been distributing these flyers about the soccer game. That's the quote-unquote plot. Oh, a soccer game? I'm a snake.
Steven, I love you.
Thank you.
And so the flyers were sent around to everybody. To snakes, duck, to the farm animals, to 103 Dalmatians.
Wow, the setting of this movie is really confusing. Where are we in the world? Where does this take place? There's farms and stuff, and there's jungle animals. I don't think people thought this through for more than 5 minutes. I think this...
Hey, I mean,
now we're gonna have a soccer game. Alright, come on all you dogs. I'm gonna have to voice all the dogs in this scene. It's gonna be a great time.
Everyone, pick a dog. I'm Poochie.
What's up? I'm Doggy Fresh.
I'm this dog.
Alright, now there are dogs I can talk to.
dog.
I wish that Poochie dog had died.
Well, I got a bone to pick with you.
Pretty radical, Tubular Man. I'm suffering.
Always recycle animation to the extreme. Am I right, Poochie?
Sure. Yeah, okay.
Alright.
I'm full of existential dread.
Okay, existential dread is what we're all full of in this movie.
I'm a dog.
We should have a name. We should have a name for our team.
What's a name? I don't know what a name is. I'm just a dog.
Wait, is this me?
Yeah, that's you. Did you already forget what character you're being? I mean, that's understandable, but...
Designs are so generic.
I didn't ask to be in this movie.
I figured it just could have been a different dog with my same design that wouldn't be out of the ordinary.
We should call it Team 69. I have a slingshot around my neck.
Bark, bark! Woof and bark!
Alright, we're going to call this Team Dog Bone. No, we're going to call it Team Dog Boners.
What could possibly go wrong?
Hey, what's up, everybody? Buy my album.
I want to die.
.com. South 32.
Please play any shot of me. I'm doing anything.
I don't know what characters we are in this movie.
I'm just kind of grasping at straws here. Like,
We're all grasping at straws. We don't know what to do. Is this dub entirely going to be
Miles, I told you that this was a bad film series to dub because it's impossible to know who's.
No, this is the greatest film series of all time.
win an Emmy? I'm gonna win an Emmy by kicking a ball, just like this movie series.
Oh, God!
Remember that time Brian beat me up?
No, I don't. I don't remember that at all.
Well, he should do that to Miles.
Oh, I will. I definitely fucking will.
Thank you, Brian.
I'm gonna beat you up too.
I'm Goalie Dog. How's it going, guys?
Oh, God. Hey, I don't think that character list you sent us was complete, Dend.
It's okay. I'm Goalie Dog. What's going on?
It's not much, Goalie Dog. Wait a second. Are you Miles in disguise?
Nope, I'm Goalie Dog. He's the real dog. All dogs all the time. So, the plot is that
You look and sound a lot like Miles.
I don't think Miles looks like this.
Oh, he will. He will look like that.
Why? Why are you
In
so
due
mean?
time.
I'm just Goalie Dog.
Goalie Dog. All right, well, if Miles were here, what would he say
If
to me?
Miles were here, I'd kill him.
So let's walk with my friend Goalie Dog to a secluded part of the woods.
All right, we're all.
Most of the characters.
Blink.
Everyone, look, those dogs can't handle the animal soccer world. Unlike us, we are the Jungle Kings. We will survive through animal soccer world. Now, who's ready for our long dubbing of this great movie?
Okay, so we found Miles and we're gonna.
I still wanna die.
No,
No, that's
Ryan,
raccoon.
Miles is the raccoon.
Oh, my bad.
Anyway, so here's our going. So we will be called the Jungle Kings,
All right.
and we will be the kings of the jungle.
But the jungle? Raccoons don't live in jungles.
What?
Supposed to be?
And seals, they also don't live in jungles. Where are we anyway?
We're in hell.
We're in animal world, you fucking moron.
That's right, Animal World. We'll be the Animal World Kings. And my little Robin, with his cleverness, he will be the Soccer King.
I'm Dundee.
And as my first rule of king, we will decapitate Miles.
Jesus Christ!
Of the guy who decided.
Most of the elephants are so
I don't know what I want to
beautiful.
decapitate.
Dumpty
Boots are made for a walking.
Oh!
Hello, everybody. Welcome to the best animation ever. This is the movie with the best animation.
Oh God, existence is suffering.
Yep, it sure is. It sure is, my friend. We're all dead inside. That's just not a dub thing. We're just all
Do
very
you have
stressed.
a blunt object or a sharp object? I'm not picky at this point. Please.
Nope, I'm the ruler of this hellscape.
Fuck!
You're all under my command. I decide whether you live or die. That's what they'll do. One of these days, these boots are gonna walk all over someone. And I think we all know who that someone is. We're rubbing that joke into the ground, but it really does bear repeating. Anyways, we're gonna play more songs. Do you want me to play? Alexa, play. No, I'm not gonna do that joke.
You know what? I can do Despacito. What, you think I can't do Despacito? I know Despacito. Everybody knows Despacito.
I don't know Despacito. I never learned Despacito. I never learned Despacito, guys.
This song's called Despacito. This song's called Despacito.
Goal!
Hey!
I'm back, everybody!
Oh yeah, this is my character.
Listen up!
The plot here is that I'll be the goalie, but you gotta let small dog in.
No. I disapprove.
You have to let the small dog play. He has to play. And then I'll be your goalie.
No, I don't know who this guy is. You don't know who this guy is, do you?
It's me, goalie dog. Everyone knows goalie dog.
I'm pretty sure that's just Miles in a disguise, guys.
I cannot tell my character and Brian's character apart.
I'm gonna go be the goalie. I'll be the greatest goalie of all time.
Here we go. I'm Droopy Dog.
I'm gonna get it. Ow, my face.
4 legs good. 2 legs
Oh,
bad.
good. Now beat up Miles more.
Wait, what? Who's this Miles fellow? I've never met him. He's clearly that cat.
You're Mumpleteen D Stumpleteen, I see. Yeah, he is. All right, we've established that. We've established that important fact. Now how's the soccer game practice going?
It's going awful. I want to die.
I want you to die, but keep dying. Like, never die? You know, fate worse than death?
Hey, I'm in this movie.
Well, you mean like this movie?
I was thinking, like, who's the guy who got his insides pecked out by birds?
Robin, it seems you are eating that soccer ball. I hope you're brushing your teeth afterwards.
Ah!
Now, Robin, remember, sharing the ball is how you deal with soccer. You must pass it raw, but I'm happy with you.
That's right. That's what happiness sounds like, you fool.
Now, Robin, remember, if you're going to be the soccer king of the Hell Kings, you must dance for me. Dance for me, my son. Dance, I command you.
Please, no.
Please.
No! No! No!
Yeah!
Fantastic. Well done.
You did awful! You should be ashamed! You fucking fuck!
Are you racist against elephants? I love being an elephant, so fuck you. Elephants are the best.
I'm Dundee the crocodile.
Yeah!
I'm Dundee the crocodile.
Shut up, Dundee.
I feel like 2 people are voicing the elephant at the same time, which is to be expected from this, since we didn't think this through.
But listen, we have better lip syncing than actual Dingo Pictures. Isn't that an accomplishment? We should all feel great about that. That's what a great dubbing team we are.
I think this...
I think you're voicing the elephant. I'm just doing the elephant noises.
Okay.
I'm gonna be the goat. No, wait, nope. The goat's gonna talk to me, so I'm not. I'm me, and someone else is the goat, I guess. So hi, goat, whoever you are.
Hey, I'll be the
Are we just casting this as we go? Is that
I
what we're
could be
doing?
the goat.
I think that's the only way we could do this.
Penny's goat.
Alright, cool.
go.
This is a train wreck.
All right, going back to talk to the goat now that we've decided.
Hey, what's your name, little boy? Please come over here and tell me.
How long is this movie? How much filler is in this? What's going
12
on?
years.
Too much.
Okay, guys, we got 13 minutes left. We're more than halfway there.
Yay!
My friend's gonna be so pissed that I left. I was supposed to meet up with him to leave at 4, but I'm leaving him.
Just regular Bambi. Hey,
4
wait,
legs good. 2
guys,
legs bad.
guys, I just had a thought.
What?
No, cheater.
No, that's
No,
cheater.
no, cheating.
Oh, wait, yeah, make it slower. Make it slower.
No!
That's
Cheater.
cheating.
Stop!
It's either
Even.
if it's not cheating, it's torture. Leave it at normal speed.
Cat.
Same.
Cat! Oh yeah, I'm the cat.
All right, and it looks like the game's gonna begin. It's the World Cup up in this bench. And, oh, hey, look, a pelican's giving me a piece of paper. What's this say?
It's your death warrant.
Thank Jesus. Am I right, ladies?
You finally earned death. I'm sorry we didn't give it to you sooner.
Wait, hang on. Me jungle.
No! What the fuck? You paused at a revelation, Charlie.
All right. What?
It's the hooligan ducks that I'm voicing. You didn't know this was in here?
Okay, here we go. Hooligan ducks.
They better be British.
Who are they?
I'm breaking.
Just play, Charlie, play.
We have the Hooligan Ducks. How dare you?
Do this!
How dare you!
How dare you ruin the purity of this, Dingo Pictures! We will slay you for this! Dingo Pictures is the greatest film of all time!
No, it is not. You must understand, this is purely for parody's sake. And we love Dingo Pictures too. Isn't that right, everyone?
That's right! You better listen to Dingo Pictures!
Rah!
Please make it stop!
What's with the lineup? Who are these guys? I am having a mental breakdown, everybody.
We're all
These
having a mental breakdown every single day of our lives.
Those three are my remaining, my three remaining brain cells.
Wait, everyone, quiet. Alex, this is your song. This is your big number.
Oh boy.
Okay.
It's the final countdown.
Okay, Alex.
Sorry.
Animal sports, animal sports. We're doing a whole bunch of animal sports. Animal sports, animal sports. We're doing a whole bunch of animal sports. Animal sports, animal sports. This movie does not deserve better than the song. Animal sports, animal sports. We're doing a bunch of animal sports. Animal sports, animal sports. We're doing a whole bunch of animal sports,
Animal sports.
Doing a whole bunch of
animal sports.
They're doing a whole bunch of animal sports.
A, B, C, D. Who do we appreciate? Q, R, F, G. Who do we hate?
Miles! Miles!
Game.
Hey, Miles!
Sports ball. We don't know why we're doing this. Animal
Fuck you! Fuck you! Fuck you!
All right, well, looks like the crowd is absolutely raucous right now.
Yeah, because of what Miles did.
Why do I have 3 color commentators? What is that guy doing? What is he doing?
You have 3 of us because there are teams. I think
Donk, donk, donk,
that's literally the reasoning for
It
it.
looks like Black Panther's legs are fucking broken.
We're all fucking broken.
Card number. All right, and then let's see.
All right. Yeah. Let's do things.
I'm Dundee the crocodile.
We're gonna get past goalie, dog!
Let's get this over
Well, it
with.
looks like someone's gonna get past Goalie Dog because Goalie Dog is unhuman.
Oh, my
Black
legs are
Panther's
broken!
leg.
Why'd you let me on the field?
You know, I really don't understand why they.
And it would appear that everyone's legs are just kind of fucking broken. Someone lost their brain to this dub. Someone's... What is... Dundee, what are you doing?
I'm cheating. I'm cheating at soccer.
He's cheating! Oh!
Dundee!
My leg is alive!
I'm personally just like
Okay.
you.
This is how sports work. Yeah, that's how sports work, ladies and gentlemen.
Give me your mom's credit card number.
Oh yeah, Sandy Bassett.
That is not how raccoons work. That's just objectively not true.
animal sports.
Ladies-
That face!
Ladies-
Did you see that face? How it was drawn? Holy
Ladies and
crap!
gentlemen, this is the bastardization of God's creation. And I can't believe I get to see it with my own 2 God-fearing eyes.
What the hell are you? Oh.
I'm a goalie.
Wow.
Ladies and gentlemen, that rhino looks like he came out of a tumble dryer. Whoa! All right, I'm just checking out of the brain at this point.
Ow! 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 Ow!
That monkey looks like
Poison the water supply.
Boo! Boo!
Okay, if anyone convinces me to watch this movie without a dub, I'm going to personally find them and shove them into their own esophagus. That's the deal. Anyway, let's get back to commentating this game.
That monkey looks like he was jacking off. He really did. Also, there's things.
How's that
Yeah,
hippo smell?
looks like there's just a lot of bullshit going on around here.
Animal sports. Animal
Animal
sports.
sports.
I would literally, I just don't want to be here.
We don't know what's going on. We can't follow this movie at all in the
Please, you 3, please. Tell my wife that I love her.
No.
Animal sports! Animal sports!
All right, looks like they're chanting animal. I can just say anything I want to right now, and it would make just as much sense. Or scoring 7 years ago, I shoved a bag of jelly beans up my own ass. Nothing makes sense. Nothing is real.
Jelly beans don't belong up there. Kids don't put jelly beans at home.
What the hell? That was a bullshit call.
Listen to me. Jelly beans, they were my friends once. And that's how I became the Coley dog.
Where's that Poochie dog? He was the best part of this movie. Where'd he go? This is the best and worst train wreck of all time.
What the hell is that?
You want me not to go, you stupid dog! Get back to the goal!
Get those BDSM ducks out of here.
Well,
King
you know
Shane.
how it is. Gang violence and BDSM on the soccer field, just like France. Fuck. I just don't know what's going on anymore.
I'm Dundee.
That's a mouth move. Is that even legal to put balls up your mouth?
What?
I said what I said.
Oh, you know what? This whistle doesn't even work.
Animal sports.
I've poisoned the water supply.
No, did he just walk up slowly and down smash?
I'm on a stretcher. That's how stretchers work. Clearly how stretchers work. Yeah, that is clearly how stretchers work in this weird physics world.
We have 5 minutes left. 5-minute warning. Let's go.
Animal sports.
Animal sports.
Stop!
Yeah, this 5 minutes cannot come soon enough. What are we doing this for?
Miles gave me $11.
Boys, let me know. Boys, let me know. Boys, let me know.
I love that looping animation.
What? A looping animation. All the animation's original here.
Yeah, like that one. Elephants can jump. That's not the least of the problems with this movie. I'm gonna deep throat this ball.
Blow.
I can't keep coming up with things.
Animal sports. Animal sports.
Animal sports. Animal sports. Animal sports. Animal sports. Animal sports.
All right, it is really, really hard for those commentators.
Animal sports.
So instead, we're gonna say the things. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Those commentators need a break. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're looping animation. 1.
Hooray for the animation, folks! Yeah!
We're better at looping animation. I look like I'm high. I wish I were high.
Animal sports. Animal sports. Doing a bunch of animal sports. Animal sports.
That's it for Disney movies.
Animal sports. We're doing a bunch of animal sports. Animal sports.
Animal sports. We're doing a bunch of animal sports.
Animal sports.
You're not even playing the saxophone.
Animal sports. Animal sports. This
Why do you have
video
a saxophone
sucks.
if you're not playing
Animal
it?
sports.
I'm escaping this world. I'm gonna pull a Truman Show. No, you can't pull a Truman Show on me. The world out there isn't nearly as good as the world you created for me. I beg to differ.
Oh God, I'm gonna go hang myself with the balloons.
Well, everybody, I think I'm just gonna talk about the day I've had.
Yeah, talk about your day.
Oh man, I'm wearing it.
Death can't come soon enough.
I've been doing the same jump for minutes.
Hey, wait, I thought we were supposed to be the main characters. That's what the wiki said, Sam.
Yeah, well,
Nothing is real, Charlie.
nothing is real. Everything is an illusion. Bye, gold, bye. I'm jacking off again.
And Ryan is gone.
You
I'll
can't
take over
leave
for the
without us, Ryan.
Oh God, we lost one. Okay, Scripter,
Ryan,
Scripter, you still here?
I am still here.
All right,
Fun.
tap in. You're the bird now.
Okay.
Oh wait, yeah, I got a phone call from my friend who was yelling.
Oh, Ryan is here.
So I had to
Okay.
go off the line. Yeah. However, I do have to go because
All right. All right.
The bird will henceforth be played by
Scripter. Scripter. No, Scripter's got it.
It's me.
Now, before I leave, I just want to say that I'm dying. Goodbye. This has not been a pleasure.
Ryan's gonna get over.
I've enjoyed it.
Miles, I will see you in hell.
Ryan's gonna get over at his friend's house, and his friend's gonna be like, "How's it going, Ryan?" And he'll go,
I can't really explain. I was in a show.
All right, here we go.
This
Continuing.
movie is really hard to dub.
I told Miles that every single time he joked about dubbing it, and then I did this event, and then he spent his hard-earned money on bothering me. And I said to Haley, I said, Haley, can you believe Miles is willing to spend $11 a month on just annoying me? And Haley went, yeah. Yeah, I can. He's Miles. All right.
Oh my god.
Okay, 2.5 minutes, guys. 2.5 minutes. We can make
Can we
it.
just keep stalling? Can we keep stalling?
No, we can
please?
make it 2.5 minutes,
No,
guys.
we cannot.
Does the duck show up again?
I don't
I
know.
don't think so.
Okay.
Penny's going to go. All right.
I'll take over for Nurse Doc.
No, okay. Good. Okay, wait. We're okay. We're okay, guys. We can do this. I feel like you're now like my trench mates. Like we went to war together. All right, here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Oh, goalie dog, I got it. I win.
Animal sports.
All right, it's the home stretch, guys. We can get through this. We don't have to die. We don't have to leave each other.
And you're also Poochie. I'm down by the crocodile.
Ooh.
Time to get this goal in the house.
All right, guys. We got this. We got this.
The Gucci dog just straight up changed colors. I'm Rachel Dolezal. Far out. Yeah.
Animal sports. Animal. I'm Dundee the crocodile.
I can't keep coming up with commentary.
I hate this.
We all hate this.
We're all tired. And literally the other guy died and I had to replace him.
I'm Dundee the crocodile. I'm the main character apparently.
Spooned.
Animal sports. Animal sports.
Oh. Shit.
And with the letting go of the balloons, we also let go of our souls as they escape us from this dub and go to Miles. God damn,
I'm
Miles.
Dundee the crocodile. Animal sports. Animal sports.
I want to go home.
What's wrong, everybody? Listen up, everyone. The best part of that is about the soccer game with the pie. Do it again next week. Ready for more soccer game with the Come on, guys. You really have to finish your team on screen.
Well, that was a fun day we had, Robin. Don't you think? Robin? Robin, are you okay? Sam, are you still alive?
Woo!
I feel like we've all changed as people after that experience. Like we went in innocent and wide-eyed and naive, and we left dead.